lights and baakukure no a medru a mehu say enne de enye adwuma yema of crowd mo de ne adwuma because of solar nti me hu ni say assembly no ne urban roads because when any assembly no na nkwa na so urban roads ene omo partner no omo betimi maintain traffic light yemfa nse wo greater Kumasi say mo omo ahode nso no omo betimi maintain traffic light wo greater Kumasi. I think Sir John will be moving forward na we say at least ye university ayewo University of Science and Technology no yehu ehu Kumasi na hu say oh we are also benefiting from some of these here ye bibia na o say China bibia na we ye hwa mo no ni say traffic light nso
bebo mama so nti omo buy am start adwuma no ni e na we share live e Facebook page nti a positive you see right say u free take ba na opese uremu abefa anoga ha fa obi pietra bra me si betima gina hwa
so we in person no
but you see earlier no matter say almost say sa ade we nkrofo sheda na omo temper no
because omo wiwi
cables say enye cables asem dem report am nya ni bi ni say cars akese no omo person omo je so omo free the free nkran ba no so the traffic ni mo na e won say o slow down na o sa change the gear sign traffic light na so na o so afra na omo bre
talk up pay
enti wo mo do mo feel say one first speed no afu no fa me fro
it's all because of normal na wa fa no e broker na horn den so because hono no baby a traffic light ni si no say Saturday obi be say complain tell me say ono odwen cars akese no ena me si baby a traffic light ni si ni nye bepo ni e move free traffic light na hona steep hill no enti so hono o car entimi ngina na chere say o car no problem ana wa fa load a broker no ahon den so
exactly
enti ene de why should that be and because obi nso awo see enja ma na ko obi nso awo cross wa ha onya
don't so obi
obi we catch me Saturday
so that is it enu ne ade na ewo area but we no say they can continuously
monitor any day
eniema esi ekoye mo maba so na mo Professor Kofi Ampon on the HOD the physics department ma ye nana se omo you see now no me am catch the professors ni bi catch am say bema ni mudia no ye wo bo mo fa ma
enti we nsu say Oforikrom MC no ne nkrofo no say because say onso adwen say oh you okay in UST wo ye mpeso so ye betimi apart na omo ama ye timi afix sound no ma we ya eye naturally say you are thinking outside the box
this lighting system all nyina across so the show more engineering department na is good.
Oh, but you see the almost say we are can no so anya you I was saying keep show mu yi
ne asem no
oh nti ade ebe sign demotivate you amu bi no because say we are no say onu say what the budget abeto ho na kufu o de confirm o de ko akọ engage
abontin
yes na how bad ho dia
no
na obe edwuma we no at least I was say half of it crana Bible say oh we dey my ade we dey say any mo anete ha
say your problem as a country even say o share road construction ne ade ya omo ko fa foreigners ba scano ye mo share that money in delays but local contractors no na who delay ni sika e kan obi no no so ye sure the work because ejuma na o ye no wonye two settings say okay me koji loan no na me we in 4 months time it me scanning in 6 months oni say you know and sure 2 years na fe na enti odun so no be sure the no we use sika kakra enti who delay kra na onim say em be affect ni main scanning enti yeah the whole can ye engage omo so no na ye make sure say we are treating them right
enti eno dey but I've seen say what say we be
Opoman area saa sokoban kwan na odi pie trader no omo si JY edu bi waye speed ramp na ho no me kura me yese me busa before speed ramp no kura no me ye kwan na ye kama no na me dwen se na nka traffic no eso beti o but anopa de no na ye kɔ obuase anopa o kɔ de a emfa se o kɔ trader side ne de a traffic ni mo be kuma se no obitimi di traffic utimi hu baby a traffic ne shase ne baby a AC no na kire say nipa no is likely going to spend 30 minutes to 1 hour what traffic ni and ye kwan ne say the be easy say you know when obi na share concern say omusi JY do any way asan be speed ramp bi o ha asan ma traffic no say see ade omusi o ho fa ne de adani no go area for
now no okay say ade we start ye whole story ma Captain Jabari ne men no ekọ ho no mo omo ko stop yo mo